Have you been searching for the perfect family vehicle with safety and styling without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring in bright white. With LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, touring suspension, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seats, seat back video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5156A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.